move. We're gonna get some food.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Standing in as much as like he came from Maytag.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah Moné. Obviously, I am in the car. So as you can see by the title, we are going grocery shopping today. I'm going to show you guys basically what I get to prepare my meals to get my gains. I've been getting a lot of requests to do a video of what I eat in a day to gain weight. My weight gain smoothie is like my most popular smoothie. I can't talk today. My weight gain smoothie video is my most popular video on my channel, and like literally everybody's been asking me weight gain stuff. So I figured in order for me to do a what I eat in a day, I need to stock up my kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys what I get at the grocery store, kind of like how I decide what to get, like kind of like that whole process or whatever. But before we go to the grocery store, I'm going to run by GNC to pick up some powder because I am completely out of my weight gainer powder, and then we can go to the grocery store. I'm looking for the, oh, I see it. I think that's the Pro Gainer.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This is $34?
For the big one?
That's not right, is it? Okay. I'm about to say, hold on. Okay, guys, so I just got back in the car from GNC, and I think in my previous video, and I actually need to look, so I'm probably gonna put like a little caption if I'm wrong, but I think in my smoothie video, I've been using the Pro Gainer and not the weight gainer, which is apparently two different things. I didn't know. So the Pro Gainer only has like 700 and something calories, and the Pro Gainer has 1,340 in one serving. That sounds about right. So I think I've been using the Pro Gainer, but when I went in there, he was basically telling me that it's different. So with the weight gainer that has the most calories, they only had the bags, and as you can freaking see, this bag is big as heck, okay? So, got this bag. Yeah, that's the only size bag they had. So, honestly, it's fine. It was $60. It was $59 and like 90-some cents. So, it was like $60 after tax. And this has, that's a lie. And I just know that's a lie. There's no way that there's only 15 servings in this. Do you see how big this is? That's gotta be a lie. But yeah, so that's like one of the most important things that you need to purchase for your weight gain diet, I guess. But got that. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Walmart and shop it up. Alright, you guys, so the first thing that I always grab at the grocery store, I don't know why, but the first thing I always grab is my eggs, okay? I always get my eggs first. So I tried to get the organic eggs, which are the brown looking eggs. They're in like a clear little carton. I like to get the organic eggs. They're just healthier. They're better for you. Yeah, so I usually get like a 12 count egg just because I'm shopping for myself. I'm shopping for one person. So I don't like to waste food, and a lot of times when you are shopping for one person, it's so easy to waste food because stuff expires so fast. And if you have a hard time like actually making yourself eat like 3 meals a day or more, it's really hard to eat all your food before it expires. So the 12 cart is the smallest one I think they had of the organic eggs. So that's fine. So I got the 12 count organic eggs. And then I'm going to go ahead and go get some Powerades. Now I usually get Gatorades, but they didn't have the dark blue Gatorades because the dark blue is like the only sports drink flavor I actually like. So they didn't have the dark blue, so I just got the Powerade dark blue. And then I'm gonna get some popcorn. I'm on like my Olivia Pope phase in my life right now where I just want to eat popcorn all the time, y'all. And I've been eating like a nice little snack, so I love to get me some butter popcorn. And then I like to get my diced pears too. That's like a good little snack for when you're on the go, like right before the gym. I love to eat some diced pears. So I got me a pack of those. Now this is a new brand. These are protein oats I like to put in my smoothies and in my yogurt. That's a new brand. It's called KODIAK protein oats. I've never seen it before, but they have like crazy calories in them. So I decided to get that. Also getting the Hungry Jack fluffy pancake mix. If you have seen some of my videos, you know I like to eat pancakes in the morning and put a little bit of protein weight gainer powder in them. So that's a really, really, really great weight gain breakfast. So I love the Hungry Jack. And then I am just going to get my vegetables, going to stock up on those. Love my yams. Gonna get some green beans, some peas, and some carrots. Now Del Monte is actually my favorite brand, but they were out of Del Monte in the peas and the carrots, so I just had to get completely different brands, which I wasn't too happy about. But I feel like it's something going on in the world right now. Like, why are all the cans out of stock everywhere? Like, it's kind of scaring me. I feel like somebody knows something and is not telling everybody. But anyways, so I always get 2 cans of every vegetable that I get, always. And then I am going to go ahead and get into the pasta aisle. I'm going to go ahead and get me some Alfredo sauce. I love the roasted garlic sauce. Anything roasted garlic is like my favorite. It's the Classico. I really, really love this brand. It's amazing. And then I got to get my pasta. So I'm getting like my angel hair pasta and my penne. And this is the Barilla. I think that's how you pronounce it. The Barilla brand. I've always liked that brand of pasta. It's just good quality, you know. So a lot of this too is going to go into my my meal prep video. So make sure you're subscribed and you have the notification bell on so you don't miss that. It's going to grab some white rice. I am a little lazy, so I like the boil and bag one. It's so easy and you get rice in like 5 minutes. So I do get a pack of the white rice. I also like to get some mashed potatoes, like the quick mashed potatoes. Really love those. Roasted garlic, anything garlic. I'm sorry, I just love garlic so much. So I get a 2-pack of those. I'm really big on having nice, good sides in your meal. Like, of course, like you're gonna get chicken, you're gonna get seafood, whatever your meat is gonna be, but you want to make sure you have good sides. Like, that's also gonna help you get your calories and get your gains. So now I'm just gonna get some chicken. I do like to get the chicken with no hormones added. It's better for you. So I'm getting some chicken tenderloins, and this is the breast. I just like these because they're like little tender strips. They're chicken breast tender strips, which makes it easier for me when I meal prep. So I am going to head over to the seafood aisle. I love, love, love my seafood. I've actually been considering going pescatarian. I love seafood so much. But I am going to go to the seafood aisle and get me a bag of shrimp. I like the large. Now, it needs to be the tail off. It grinds my gears when shrimp have the tail on them. Like, I don't understand that at all. But tail off. And then I am going to get a pack of pink salmon. Love my salmon. And yeah, so we're gonna get a pack of that too. I like to make like shrimp and salmon Alfredo, so that's gonna be one of the meals that's in my meal prep video. But I am gonna head over to the freezer aisle, and I'm just getting my fruit for my weight gain smoothie. So I always like to just make mango strawberry smoothies. I'm content with like having the same smoothie every day. So I just get 2 big bags of those. All right, so I also am going to get these power bowls. You guys, these power bowls are lifesavers. I love these so much. These are great for like a quick little lunch. If you're lazy, don't want to cook dinner one night or whatever the case may be. I love these power bowls. They give you your calories and they're like super healthy. So I definitely encourage you. This is the Healthy Choice brand. To get these when you just don't feel like cooking. These will literally save your life. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in the vegetable aisle. I like to get me a pack of baby spinach. I'm not like the biggest spinach fan at all, but I just know it's really good for you. So what I like to do is put my spinach in my eggs in the morning. Also, just gonna get like your basic vegetables that you like to add to like your meats and stuff that give you some flavor, like, you know. So I'm just gonna get some bell peppers and like some avocados for my avocado toast in the morning. I'm gonna get just some onions, like just stuff that you actually like to saute and put in your meals. So I just like that for adding some flavor to, you know, my meats. So I'm gonna get this white cranberry ocean spray. I've like started adding juices to my weight gain smoothies, and it sounds really weird, but it's so good, you guys. It like adds so much flavor to it. Also gonna get some lactose free milk. If you have seen my weight gain smoothie video, that's the kind of milk I use. I don't like drinking milk with lactose. It's just not my friend. Don't like it. But I am gonna get some yogurt too. This is the CHOBANI, I think that's what it's called, CHOBANI yogurt, and this is gonna be the peaches flavor. It's really, really good. It's like a really good yogurt to eat in the morning with your breakfast or just for like a little snack, but it's really nice. It's a nice little snack. Also gonna get me some turkey bacon. You guys, I'm trying to stay away from pork. I love pork so much. I'm really trying to stay away from pork, so this is gonna be really hard for me, but I'm really gonna try and do it. So I got me some turkey bacon. We'll see how this goes. Get on somewhere. All right, so you guys, I am finally done with grocery shopping. Let me tell you, I hate grocery shopping so much. Finally done. Took me forever. And of course, you know, after you go grocery shopping, you gotta go get you a fast food snack because you ain't finished grocery shopping if you didn't get a snack. So I went to Wendy's to get some nuggets. I know it's not a part of like the diet we're trying to stay on, but I really needed to eat because I haven't eaten at all today, and I just realized that, and it's 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna do better. But I got everything, as you can see. All my groceries are back there, and I spent way more than I had originally planned on spending because I was really trying to just buy food for this week, but ended up just buying food for like the next 2 weeks. So I spent about $130 something. This is one person. I think that's pretty good, honestly. But yeah, so I'm going to take all this crap to the kitchen. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this grocery vlog haul video, I guess that's what you can call it. So I do have a what I eat in a day coming up, as well as a meal prep video coming up as well. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you like this video. Thumbs up. And yeah, just make sure that you have the notification bell on so that you don't miss those videos coming up as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.